Hey everyone, and welcome back to Iron Pulse Fitness. If you've got just 10 minutes to spare, then I can help you burn some serious fat, kickstart your metabolism, and leave you feeling absolutely unstoppable, all from the comfort of your own home. The best part? No equipment needed. That means no excuses. Are you ready? Let's get this done. Today, we're diving into a high-intensity fat-burning circuit designed to push your limits and deliver results fast. We have 5 killer exercises lined up. We'll work for 40 seconds straight, then take a well-deserved 20-second rest. We'll go through the whole circuit 4 times. My only rule is that you stay with me until the very end. We're in this together. Let's get our minds right, find our space, and prepare to work. The clock starts in 10 seconds. Get ready for our first exercise, jump squats. All right, let's go in 3, 2, 1. Push 3, 2, 1 and rest. Great job. 20 seconds to catch your breath. Shake out those legs. That was a fantastic start to get the heart rate up. Next up, we're hitting the floor for push-ups. Remember, form is everything. If you need to, drop to your knees. It's better to do a modified push-up with perfect form than a full one with bad form. Get ready. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's work. Down to the floor. And rest. Excellent. Back on your feet. Take a deep breath. Our heart rate is soaring, and that's exactly what we want. Get ready to move. In 3, 2, 1, go! Back in that high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders. Go, go, go. 3, 2, 1. And time. Whew. Okay, breathe. We are on fire now. We're staying on our feet for the next one. High knees. This is pure cardio. The goal is to get those knees up to hip height and to pump your arms like you're sprinting. This is where the fat just starts to melt away. We have 10 seconds left to rest. Use it. Get ready to fly. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. High knees. Drive them up. And rest. Incredible work. One more exercise in this first circuit, and it's a mental battle. We're going down for a plank. This is about stability, strength, and pure grit. Focus on keeping your entire body tight. We're going down to our forearms. No excuses, everyone holds. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. That's round 1 completed. Amazing job. Take a quick sip of water if you need it. We have about 30 seconds of rest here before we dive right back in for round 2. You know the exercises now. You know what to expect. This round, I want you to focus on pushing just a little bit harder. Maybe you can get one more rep on the push-ups or go a little faster on the mountain climbers. It's all about progressive overload. Get ready. Round 2 starts with jump squats in 3, 2, 1. And rest. Awesome. 20 seconds. Deep breaths. Next up, push-ups. Remember your options. Knees or toes, it doesn't matter, as long as you're challenging yourself. Shake out those arms. We're going in 5 seconds. Get in position. 3, 2, 1. And rest. Great job. Back on your feet. Shake it out. We're heading into mountain climbers. This is our chance to spike that heart rate right back up. Remember, it's about speed under control. Keep that core locked in. No bouncy hips. Let's get ready to climb that mountain. In 3, 2, 1, hit it. High plank position and drive those knees. And time. Yes, that was intense. Breathe. High knees are next. We're over halfway through the entire workout now. This is no time to back down. This is the time to double down on your effort. Remember why you pressed play today. Let's honor that decision. Get ready for high knees. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Fantastic. One more exercise to finish round 2. The plank. We're going back down to the floor. This is a test of will, mind over matter. Set your mind to hold for the full 40 seconds. No dropping. You are stronger than you think. Get ready. In 3, 2, 1. And done. Round 2 is in the books. We are crushing this. We are now officially past the halfway point. Take this slightly longer rest to grab a quick sip of water. We have 2 more rounds to go. That's it. You've come this far. There's no way you're stopping now. Think about how incredible you're going to feel when you finish this. That feeling of accomplishment is worth every second of this burn. Get ready for round 3. Starting with jump squats in 3, 2, 1. Empty the tank on this set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest. Awesome work. Push-ups are next. This is going to be tough, but you are tougher. Remember your options. Challenge yourself, but maintain your form. Let's get ready to build that upper body strength. Can you get 2 more reps? 1 more? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, rest. Incredible. That was pure grit. Mountain climbers up next. Let's get that heart rate back to the ceiling. Speed, agility, and a rock-solid core. Let's attack this set. 5 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Phew. Yes. I feel that burn. I hope you do too. High knees. Let's keep that fire burning. This is the home stretch of round 3. Let's make it our best set of high knees yet. Higher knees, faster arms. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Work. Drive them up. Be explosive. Be athletic. This is what it